Hi, I'm Jason, and in this video we will explain how to maintain your air filter to maximise its efficiency. Different types of filters have different lifespans depending on the type and application. What they're used for and how often can affect the life of each filter. A new clean filter has an initial pressure drop or resistance. When this increases to an advised dirty limit, by simply doing its job collecting contaminants, the filter is becoming blocked and should then be replaced. A blinded or heavily soiled filter will also eventually reduce the airflow and should be visually checked regularly for condition and that it's free of damage. Filters should be dry stored securely indoors in their original packaging, ideally on pallets. Great care should be taken to ensure that they are not damaged and don't come into contact with chemicals or water.